Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my video. Today I am sharing Ching's chicken 65 recipe. It is a very easy recipe for starter, but I am making it for dinner time, so I am using the same ingredient to make a fried rice with chicken 65. For this recipe, I have taken half kg chicken, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, Ching's chicken 65 masala. I have here 1 packet. You can add 2 packets. Some curry leaves. Then add 1 egg. Mix chicken 65 masala. Mix everything well. First I will do the marination of chicken, then I will fry it. To make it spicy, I am adding 2 tablespoons red chili powder and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix this all together with chicken so that the chicken will absorb all the spices. I will keep this chicken for 30 minutes for marination. After 30 minutes, take a pan and heat the oil, then start frying chicken 65. That is our marinated chicken. Keep the medium flame and fry chicken well till it gets crispy. After getting half cooked, make sure to flip it to cook its other side also, so the whole chicken will get crispy. I fried this all chicken for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it gets crispy, take out the chicken and strain the oil. If you are new to my channel, do follow me on Instagram and subscribe me please. Also check my other easy recipe videos from playlist. You can see the Ching's chicken 65 is ready. It looks very nice and it is very crispy and tasty also. It is a very tasty starter recipe. You can enjoy that only chicken 65, but I am making it for dinner, so I am using the same ingredient of chicken 65 for making fried rice to make a complete dinner. So I will cook now in the same oil. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 onion, 1 carrot, then 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 pinch of cumin powder, then 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Then add 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic. add 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 bay leaves. Then mix all together and cook for 5 minutes. Cook this on low flame. Then add capsicum. You can add 1 tablespoon. Mix all together and cook for 2 minutes. Then mix this gravy with rice. I am using pre-cooked rice, so you don't need to cook it again. So mix the rice gently. So here is the chicken 65 recipe with the chicken 65 fried rice. It is a complete dinner recipe. If you like this video, do like and comment. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.